Our students are taking basically college level introductory statistics course, and part of their curriculum is to be able to use data analysis software and to be able to read computer printouts and be able to analyze data using some kind of statistical software. And the only software we had access to before was Excel, which was okay because the students are able to use it at home since it's almost on every computer. The problem is after a while it becomes very cumbersome and becomes difficult to use. Making histograms requires 30 steps, meanwhile something like Minitab can produce histogram basically in one step. And it's also good for students to be able to use statistical software because in the real life, soon they're going to be going to graduate schools and they're going to have to do their own research. So hopefully the skills will transfer and they can use them in their college life and later on hopefully in their careers. A difference between the mean verbal and math score.
Minitab's a lot easier than Excel because Excel you have to press a lot of buttons and like put different equations in, but Minitab you can just like manipulate easier and the graphs are easier to make and it just makes more sense.
The probability plots were a lot easier to do. The histograms, they gave us like several kinds of graphs, and I don't know, it was kind of cool doing it on a computer too instead of just by hand.
I think it's great to know that if you need something, you can write a grant, and if people find it, they need as big as you find it, you can get funding locally. You don't have to write grants to big organizations and you don't have to compete with millions of schools. It's so nice to have foundations right here working for our school district.